Today I'm going to show you how to take a thermostatic radiator valve top off and put it back on. I've been asked about this one because some people have taken them off for decorating behind them, are a bit tight to the wall and then they can't get them back on. So it's quite a simple, easy task. Take you through it now. So here we have our thermostatic valve. There's many different types. This is just one of the various types that you can get. I always make sure the valve's fully on, like so on number 5. You know where you are. And this should undo with your fingers, but quite often they don't. You should be able to turn this like that way, anti-clockwise. It should come off, but if it doesn't, a pair of these will do it for you. Nice and cheap, they don't cost a lot of money. Now just get the grips around that nut there and just pull it that way. Okay, see that come undone. It should be very loose and easy to undo. After that you can do it with your fingers. Okay, once it's right off, just pull it away. And there we have it. I know it looks quite, how's that all going to go back on? It does. Some of them actually have a slot that it just drops into as well to make things easy. So now we just get the thing, face it to you, push it down, you'll feel it drop in. There's like a position where it drops. See that? If I turn that again, so you'll feel it drop in the position. And there it goes. So you know that that's the position down like that. And then you just do this thread back up. Now this time with no need to do it up with grips. Should have been done up with grips in the first place. And just do it like that, tighten with your fingers. It's usually plenty, and that is it. And you can operate your valve as normal, as per spec as it was, and it's back on and all working again.